Good morning, happy Monday. I had a long weekend to sit back and relax and think about things and go back over my trades for the past week and watch the videos and figure out what my plan is for today. It's currently 9:19 a.m. Waiting for the market to open, and I'll get back with you when it does. See if we can't get some trading done today. Just to update too, I don't do much pre-market. I read up on like Yahoo News and just see what's going on in the world. But as far as like trying to pinpoint stocks, at that point in time, I don't. I wait and just let the market open, and then I figure out which stocks are working for me. So just thought I'd throw that in there. Get back with you. I just shorted some JONE. Keep you posted. All right, picked up some MAC, 3,000 short. Kind of scaled in. Waiting for the pullback now. Here's my cover order. See what happens with it. JONE is teeter-tottering right around my exit. Problem is this new spread system's kind of messing me up, but we're figuring it out. Or I'm figuring it out. So I'll get back with you with anything else going on. All right, MACK is closed out now. $150 profit. I was 3,000 short on it. I built the position quicker. That's one of the things that I changed over the weekend was as I see it progressing, I'm going to be more aggressive about getting shares on the position instead of, um, as it's moving against me. If it's more and more overextended, I'm going to be more and more aggressive about shorting my shares just to flip the side where it pulls back. I've built my position up enough to where when the pullback does happen, it doesn't have to be a big pullback. It just has to be a few cent pullback, and I'm willing to do that uh, on the ones. I mean, if you look in the left, you'll notice how many orders I have. My fishing orders have gone down to zero, except for JONE, which I'm currently in. So, and I've got another order to buy or to sell short at 81. So if it does come right to this point, I'll have another set of 1,000 to short. But as of right now, we're doing good with just 1,000. So I'll keep you updated, and if anything changes, I'll let you know. All right, JONE is closed out, $50 profit. We're up $200. I've got two fishing orders out right now. AMD. It's currently 719 is my fishing order. We're trading at 709 now. Asking 708. So we're there on that one. DGAZ looked pretty bold. Now it looks like it might be pulling back here a little bit. I may have to reamp that order. But I wanted 43, which is right around. Let's see here. Hang on a second. I won't even be able to show you on this one. This is a 10-minute chart here. But we've just stair-stepped every day. Look at this. Boom, 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 boom. This company is growing by the day. But anyhow, uh, if I do get into this trade, I'm gonna be very conservative with my shorts because of the strongness of its growth. But if you'll notice, each day has its pullbacks and has it's growing and then it's pulling back. It's growing and it's pulling back. But overall, bullish. So just keep that in mind. I'll keep you posted on anything else that comes abroad. We're looking like DGAZ is trying, so I'll keep you posted. All right, I've got a couple of fishing orders out. very well monitored fishing orders, I might say. EC, which I've got a current fishing order at 55. So we're right here on our fishing order. We're not quite there yet, but MBT, we're looking at 795. We're currently trading at 83. I'd like to see this. We started off bullish, then we pulled back, then we're coming back when we broke the high of the morning, or the morning candle. I'd like to see it carry on up in a bullish way to the 90s, the Great Decade, and then about halfway through the 90s and 95, I'm on a short. Begin building my short up into the $8 range. Game plan with that one. EKSO is 510, so I'm waiting for this to hold at $5. We've already showed that we broke through 5 once or twice. I want to see it hold, and then I want to see it explode off of $5 and show a bullish sign. About $5.10. Look at that, exactly as I'm saying that, it's doing what I'm wanting it to do. But so I've got the order at 510 because I want to give it room to overextend itself, and for people to look for profit taking. And AMD is the reason I'm in that one fishing at 719. We had this really aggressive bullish run up. Had a few little pullbacks in the way, but nothing significant. And I see it, continuing to go. So this might be the pullback that changes the game, though. I don't know. But if we can ignore this pullback and keep going, this stock's gonna look strong for the day. Might have to be careful, but it's looking like a decent pullback is getting ready to form. If it pulls back enough, I'm gonna have to reamp my entry, because 719 is not gonna work anymore. It's not gonna be overextended at that point. DGAZ 643, we've fallen off the map there. I might as well go ahead and cancel that. It was climbing pretty good, and then it's just failed. So now, if it does come back and break this last high, I'll look to short then, but somewhere above. So it'd be somewhere in like the 50 range, I guess, because 638 is the top. So it'd be somewhere in that area where we would look to short. So that is the best thing I've got right now. A lot more conservative today, just being coming off kind of a hectic Friday, so just all rested up and ready to go, but more conservative too. So just checking out everything that's going and reading my scanners, and just trying to be patient. So I'll get back with you as soon as we have a entry or something happens. I'll let you know. Just to throw this out there, this stock HCHC, that's a scary stock for me. If you're a bear in the market, these are kind of stocks you want to watch out for. If you got caught up in something like this, you'd be in some trouble. It's just been running since Friday. Friday it ran. Now today it's running. So just to take note that you get caught up in something like this, it could be pretty bad. So we avoid stocks like that. Good for the bulls though. HC2 Holdings is this company, and it looks promising. Got a pretty significant pullback. It would bring in a lot of buyers. So I would never buy into strength like that. That's just crazy. But if it did pull back significant enough and then hold and then start back, that's where I would look to start my buying orders, and then retest this high with a idea of, if it doesn't, I can get out and still have profit. But I'm talking crazy. I'm not a buyer. So I just like to throw those ideas out there. But anyhow, still nothing. I threw another fishing order out, CNHI at 722. We have a long way to go to get there, but it's just you know, previous support level. Now will be resistance. We'll have our first layer of resistance right here. Actually, we'll have resistance here. Break that. We're gonna have resistance here, and then up into my zone here would be 722. If it was to break all that, which it would be super overextended at that point. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep you posted. Alright, just shorted some EC, and it's running pretty good on me now. But I've got the cover order here at 850. Currently trading at 857, so I'll keep you posted. Alright, just short another 1,000 shares. Brought our average up to 857. So we're looking at 852 for the cover. We're looking for this pullback here. Had a pretty good run up, and so we're looking to see what happens here. I'll keep you posted. It looks like we're pulling back in now. We've got plenty of resistance overhead. The 200 period moving average is overhead. This prior price is overhead. So I'm feeling pretty confident about this pulling back. So we'll just have to see what happens, and I'll keep you updated. All right, EC just covered 852. Actually covered it a little better than that, 851.5. So I got a little better price on that, made a little bit more money, $114 more. So I'm up $315 for the day. 3 stocks instead of 15 like I normally do. I hope you guys see the change in the way that I'm changing things and what I've done to change things. Currently, I've hit my target for the day. I could try to trade one more. I just have to wait and see. But it's currently 10:06 in the morning. I'm even done quicker, so I'm done faster. I'm in fewer stocks. I have less commissions to pay. There's a lot of good things that I think I took from Friday that I've become a better trader on Monday. And I hope that you see that in the video here, what I've done and the difference in how I've traded. I hope this helps. This is Monday morning. We are now October the 3rd, 2016. It's 10:07 a.m. and I am Trey Campbell, and I'm signing off. Good day.